Hey yo fam, it's been a minute since I put my voice on these things. Okay, so I'm back with another one. So vandaag ngizobe ngisha trade breakdown in body suti explaining the trades that I took on Thursday, which was yesterday. So here I sold because of the fair value gap le price. So this was a poor sell in my opinion, at least. And this was a wrong time for me to trade. I was attracted to come and sell because of the volatility that happened on 2:30. Then ngakhohlwa isikhathi, like the right time to trade. But then during the course of the trade, then I came back at the right time. So here, if you can see, price really taper that fair value gap, the box rate lapha, then reject and I told. So my taking this trade was that prices ophinde ibuye lapha kule candlestick leli, consequent encroachment, then go down. I told. Hence ngifake stop loss la ngisifake khona, but then it's gonna take me out because I was wrong. As you can see here, these things happen, guys. Losses are part of the game, so you shouldn't be afraid of taking losses. Then after the loss, I went down on the lower time frame. I had to stay or relax for 30 minutes, but then because I still have this thing in me that doesn't want to. Okay, soon izohamba fede lento ukuthi immediately after a loss I need to relax like 30 minutes. So I took another trade because of the inversion fair value gap and the fair value gap that's there, with the stop loss above the candlesticks there, so we take profit. So that's a poor target. The structure, there's a fair value gap here, so I had to use that one as my target. Because of time, the time aspect of things, you can see price move slow, man. Like the candlesticks that are being created at this time, mancane. So I manual exited this trade. So I was done by my 68 USD. Then I came back around 3:30, to actually place the right trades. So this is the only time you should trade. Mangabe trader Nasdaq. Amelo trade after 3:30. Before 3:30, you're gonna take losses like I did. So here I went down on a lower time frame to see a structure. Only a few will understand this one. So currently we are on a higher high, higher low. Now it's trying to create a higher high. Now a higher high. So I wanted to see a lower low below that candlestick. It closed below that candlestick and a retracement. So I'm going to sell on retracement. It closed. That candlestick. So I don't consider it a lower low. Then now. So this candlestick has to close. Then retracement shorts. Nazoge. Then stop loss above the previous candlestick. Then the target had to be like inside that fair value gap, but then nizobona la ngiphume khona. Nazo-ke second scale in kuleya fair value gap layer. So I lost connection here, then came back after a few minutes. So the trade was done. So it made like 75 USD. You will see at the end of the video. So pause and watch the results here. And please subscribe if you enjoy this content, guys, and share with other traders.